Massage isn't a luxury. Let me ask you something honestly. When you hear the word massage, do you think luxury? A treat, a bit of indulgence, something you only get on holiday or as a birthday present? Because if you're over 50, I want to clear this up right now. Massage is not a luxury. Massage is maintenance for your body. You clicked this video because your body feels stiffer than it used to. Maybe you wake up tight, maybe things take longer to loosen up, maybe recovery just isn't what it was. And today, I'm going to explain why massage plays a crucial role in keeping your body moving, reducing pain, and helping you stay active as you get older. Here's how this video is going to work. First, I'll explain what massage actually is in plain English. Then we'll talk about why bodies over 50 get stiffer, even if you're active. I'll show you what massage does inside your body. We'll talk about why regular massage works far better than the odd one-off session. And near the end, I'll share the biggest mistake people over 50 make with massage. Stick with me because this might completely change how you look after your body. If you're over 50 and you want to stay mobile, strong and independent, make sure you subscribe to this channel. This is the Gav Noble 10x Physio channel. We help people over 50 move better, hurt less, and stay out of the doctor's office. Let's clear something up. Massage is not just someone rubbing sore muscles. Massage is a physical input to your body. It affects your muscles. It affects your connective tissue called fascia. It affects your circulation and it affects your nervous system. Here's a simple way to think about it. Your muscles are designed to move, lengthen, shorten, and relax. But over time, especially after 50, they start to lose that ability. They dry out, they tighten, they stiffen. Massage helps restore movement, hydration, and elasticity. It's not about forcing tissue, it's about reminding your body how to move freely again. Now, let's talk about why massage becomes more important as we age. After 50, we move less without realizing it. Recovery slows down, muscles lose hydration, connective tissue becomes less elastic, and here's the big one. Stiffness builds quietly. It doesn't arrive overnight. It creeps in. A tighter neck, a stiff lower back, hips that don't move like they used to, shoulders that complain when you reach overhead. Massage helps interrupt that slow build-up before stiffness turns into pain. Let's look at what's happening inside your body during massage. First, circulation improves. More blood flow means more oxygen, more nutrients, and better healing. Second, muscle tone reduces. That constant low-level tension finally switches off. Third, fascia softens and glides better. That's huge for movement and flexibility. But this part is key. Massage tells your nervous system that it's safe to relax. Your body moves from protect and guard to recover and repair. That's why people often say, I didn't realize how tight I was until after. That's not magic. That's how the body works. This is where most people go wrong. They wait until pain is bad, until movement is limited, until sleep is affected. Then they book a massage. That can help, but it's reactive. Regular massage is proactive. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You don't wait for toothache before you start brushing. With regular massage, muscles don't tighten as much, flare-ups reduce, recovery improves, movement stays easier. It's not pampering, it's prevention. Massage works best when combined with the right exercise. Massage helps reduce stiffness, calm pain, improve movement. Exercise helps strengthen weak areas, protect joints, build long-term resilience. We often say massage prepares the body, exercise protects it. One without the other is helpful. Together, they are powerful. The biggest mistake people over 50 make with massage, thinking it has to hurt to work. Deeper is not always better. Effective massage works with your nervous system, respects tissue tolerance, leaves you moving better, not beaten up. If you feel worse for days afterwards, that's not success, that's overload. Here's what I want you to remember. Massage isn't about fixing something broken. It's about maintaining a body you still want to use. Walking, gardening, traveling, playing with grandchildren, staying active. That's what this is about. If this video changed how you think about massage, let me know in the comments. Now, if you want more clear, honest advice to help your body over 50 move better and hurt less, subscribe to the channel. This is exactly what we do here at the 10X Physio channel. So, I'll see you in the next video.